Well, this is all about traveling. So I flew from my hometown to Phoenix. It's kind of the hub, American Airlines. And then Phoenix to Albuquerque with my grandkids for a few days. And then from there, I'm gonna stay a few extra days. My friend can join me on some hikes and stuff. And so on the plane here in Phoenix, the plane's full. And we were told that we were slowly taxiing out. We had like a traffic jam. Well, right when we were getting ready to take off, generator messed up or something. Anyway, they tried to fix it, couldn't, came back to basically we deplaned. So we're now waiting to see what they're gonna do. And everybody's a little nervous. I really don't want to get back on that plane. There's 2 other flights, but there's literally only 2 or 3 seats on each plane. I'm not sure what to do.
Yeah, and a lot of it's gonna have to do with
So,
consistency.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly what to do. I don't know if I want to just go ahead and buy a seat on the other plane so I can get on it, or what to do. So, because there's only 2 more flights to Albuquerque. The other option is to rent a car and drive. And my drive would be about maybe 10 hours from here. So, because I have to go to, it's 4 hours from Albuquerque where my grandkids live. So, alright, see what happens. So as I'm wandering around, there's a book for everything. This is for every wife after the first year of marriage. So you're reading all of these. This is my husband. I should get him for him. He doesn't like anybody in there when he's cooking. Not gonna lie. But my favorite is these cute little flowery ones. Alright. Turn the music down. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Alright, so this is getting pretty dangerous. I'm going through a thunderstorm and this isn't snow. I believe this is hail because I heard it really hard on the top of the car. So I have a rental. I hope they don't ding me for that. And then there's been lightning as I've been coming into the storm, but it looks like it's moving that direction. So hopefully this will all go away. But I swear, every time I go somewhere, look at this. This is crazy. And I'm literally, this is 2 lanes, but all of that lane is completely snowed. Shoot. This is crazy. I think I'm in Vaughn, New Mexico. I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. I don't know where I'm at, actually. Yeah, I'm in Vaughn. Okay, so this little town right here, whoa, is the town my dad was born in Vaughn, New Mexico. And there's no way I can stop. right, check it out now. It's completely clear. It's like it's just in that one patch. It's crazy. So I have about 2 hours left, and I'm going into another storm right here, as you can see. Sorry for the bouncing. It is crazy looking. Okay, so this has been, I got a lot of crazy adventures with traveling. This one probably takes the cake. You already know about the whole plane incident. We were all kind of like, yeah, let's switch out that plane. I kind of want to fix it and get back on. Seemed kind of like, I'm glad it happened on the ground rather than in the air. Not good. So I kept seeing on the alerts coming up on the car, you know, the little monitor thingy there. It kept saying, you know, thunderstorms, thunderstorms, thunderstorms. A few miles, like 10 miles, 20 miles, 5 miles, 0 miles away. And then all of a sudden it's like, and there's a tornado warning. And I'm just like, what the heck? And I'm just like, I can't really see anything. So then I got into Vaughn, New Mexico, which is where I kind of really wanted to go. And I thought, well, I'm behind. Either like the storm has passed over me or like I missed it or something. Well, that was a negative. Apparently there's more than one storm. And so what ended up happening was I kept driving, I mean, obviously, and oh my gosh, it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. And all of a sudden the wind started picking up, and it was just about getting into Roswell. And so my grandkids, I was communicating with my grandkids' mother, and she was saying, as soon as you get to Roswell, there's nothing after Roswell for like an hour and a half. And I'm just like, okay. So, like, kind of like, you know, whatever, you use the restroom, get something to drink, whatever. And I could tell I was kind of coming into Roswell because she said it was like an hour and a half, and I was like an hour and 40 minutes it showed that I still had to drive. So I was like, I'm pretty close to Roswell. And then all of a sudden, like, all of us started really slowing down. Like, the cars in front of me were all slowing down. And all of a sudden, just like this black dust, like everything that was like above us, it was just like on the ground, wind, rain, just, you could just see it. And then all of a sudden you see like the whirl. And I was just like, oh, heck no. I can do a lot of things, but tornadoes, that scares the crap out of me. And I was just like, I gotta be safe. I gotta stop. Because all I was doing, it literally said on the radio, it was emergency warning coming over the radio station, you know, like your alerts. It actually was an alert. And so basically, it said it was going southeast, and that's basically the direction I was going. So I was basically following it. And because it was going like, I don't know how fast it was going. They said 15 miles an hour on the radio, but I don't know. I feel like I was staying with it. And then the wind, and oh my God. Anyway, I just said I can't. So I told my grandkids, Mom, I said, hey, I can't. I gotta stop. I can do a lot of things, but I can't. I'm afraid of this. And so, and you could still see it. It's all like black in that direction, like completely black. And so I just said, I'm not going to. And I was waiting at the store to see kind of like, maybe it was clear up. And it was clearing up a little bit, but basically you look that direction and it's still just black. So basically I would just be following it. Not a good thing. So told her, I said, I'm going to get a hotel here in Roswell. I'll get up early, just drive over in the morning. because I'm about an hour and a half, so I'm not far. What I consider not far. Not far considering it was like a 4-hour drive. So, anyway. Oh my gosh, that was scary. That was completely scary. I'm like still like a little freaked out, a little shaky about it. So, and then, so it's like a little bit of the sun is coming out now, and there's like a double rainbow. Anyway, it's really pretty with the double rainbow, but if you look in the opposite direction, you don't see no rainbow. So I went across the street. Well, I drove across the street, and then I went to Sonic because, you know, I'm sure it's like everywhere, you know, like I'm assuming like with California, there's not very many places inside open to go. So I drove over to Sonic, which is like it's close to the hotel. And the menu wasn't there, and I was just like, and I just wanted like a grilled chicken. And I'm like, you have a grilled chicken? She goes, yeah. And I don't go to Sonic that often, so, but it's the closest thing. It's like right here. And she goes, yeah. And I said, okay, that's all I want. And then, and I said, and do you have like, I just want like a combo, like fries. She goes, yeah. She goes, our menu blew away. And I went, okay. I said, I totally get it. I was driving in it. I totally get it. No, like you don't even have to say no more. I was just, because I was looking at this thing and I was like, there's nothing there for me to choose from. So anyway. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get some rest. I'm going to take a shower, relax, eat my grilled chicken. And just kind of calm down a little bit, because I'm just like, I'm still a little freaky out. And nobody knows right now. Nobody knows, because if I tell my kids, they'd be freaking out. So I'm gonna tell them now, though. I'm gonna call my daughter, because my daughter doesn't want to hear it in a YouTube video ever again. All right. Okay. All right. Sorry, it's shaking all over the place. Like, okay. All right. Time to have a sandwich.